The BT Young Scientists exhibition has been a big event on the school calendar for 48 years, and this year it's better than ever. With the 1,700 entries narrowed down to 550 finalists, there's a lot of science there. Earlier today, I went to check it out. The RDS was packed with students from all over the country, some exhibiting their latest projects, others were there to observe. The event is in its 48th year and the inventions are getting better with age.
And it just amazes me every year, just the quality of the work, the confidence of the students. Where we saw the change this year, which was absolutely brilliant, was chemical, physical, mathematical sciences.
Andrew O'Donnell has been working on this device that keeps track of your children.
This is a car tracking device and it's basically linked up to a coast from a small aerial inserted in the top. Basically it can be tracked by smartphone. It has a 1 mile radius, and if the tracker goes outside of that, it sends an alert to the parent phone.
That would come in handy today. Saving water was what this guy set out to do, and he did just that with this water-conserving windshield.
It's a device to collect the rainwater on a car, and then it filters it through this here and pumps it back into the water tank. 3 million litres of water alone in Ireland if this was to be fitted to every car.
Another experiment that caught our eye was this lighting system for emergencies.
This is a fire sprinkler that incorporates light and water. So initially you follow the green lights and run away from the red.
And some primary schools got in on the action too. The exhibition is open to the public tomorrow, so pop in and check it out for yourself. Now you can have your iOffice on your iPad. A new virtual Windows app for tablets is available from the App Store thanks to gaming company OnLive. The app provides a working Windows 7 desktop and copy of Microsoft Office. It also gives you 2 gigabytes of cloud storage for free. You can even try and trick your mates into believing you've blagged a next generation Windows tablet. Are computer games losing their appeal? Seems they might be in the States, where sales were down more than $1 billion in 2011. US shoppers spent about $17 billion on games and consoles last year, down from $18 billion in 2010. Christmas sales were also down around 21%. Experts say the drops aren't surprising as we're at the end of the current console's life cycle. Now check this out for some cool art. What you're seeing is a new installation at the LA County Museum of Art. Metropolis 2 by artist Chris Burden uses hundreds of miniature vehicles that speed through an elaborate system of buildings and roadways. It's made of children's building blocks, Legos and other simple materials, while magnets are used to take the tiny cars up the ramps. Pretty cool. And that's you up to date with everything that's buzzing today.